Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Willowdale, local, and long-distance movers near me. Moving is a huge pain. Packing everything up, moving things to the truck, and then driving and doing it all again in reverse. Why not let a company take care of all that for you instead? 3 Movers offers local and long-distance moving services in the Willowdale, Toronto area. We have a proven track record of successful moving projects, and you'll be happy that you chose to work with us. Weight is a critical element in long-distance moves. This is because the total weight of your packed-up belongings affects the price. Your items will be weighed on the truck, so you can get a price-based estimate on said weight. This is used to get a price quote that's per pound. You should consider doing away with any items that you no longer need, as this will ultimately help you reduce the price. If you contact us, we can help you figure out the best way to downsize and keep your costs manageable. You might be tempted to do a local move on your own, or maybe with a few friends. While this is certainly doable, people often underestimate the amount of time and efforts involved. You'll be glad to have contacted a moving company to help you figure out the process. We understand that everyone wants to save money, which is why our experienced crews are always working to find the most efficient ways to take care of your move. There's a reason why people go for us. We get the job done without breaking your bank. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Willowdale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.